So, dear students, so you all know that the UPSC prelims exam has been recently postponed due to COVID-19, and we are in the third stage of lockdown, and this is a crucial phase for preparation of this exam. And I'll do one experiment. This is a novel experiment no one might have done in the country till now, and I'll put the subject in question format, and we can cover as many questions as possible in limited period of time. And today I want to ask you questions on revolutionary terrorism, modern India. Generally few bits come from this area, and try to answer at home. Later we can discuss. I'll put the question so in an organized way only, so that would be comfortable to you rather than haphazardly asking the questions. Revolutionary terrorism was the byproduct of which movement in India? Revolutionary terrorists took inspiration from Irish nationalists and Russian dash. I can call it as a Russian dash, like that it's better. And initially the movement was spread in Bengal and Maharashtra. In Bengal, Anushilan Samiti was founded by Pramod Mittar, Jatendra Nath Banerjee, and who was the third person at Calcutta. The same organization in Dhaka was organized by whom? And he was also associated with Barra dacoity. Name that person. And what was the important paper of Anushilan Samiti? Along with Bhupendra Nath Dutt, who founded that paper? So, one of the important activities of this organization was Bairasal Conference, and who was the famous person associated with Bairasal Conference? At the same time, in Maharashtra, Mitramela was founded in which year, and it was converted into which organization in 1904? By Savarkar brothers. And Savarkar was associated with which conspiracy? And Abhinav Bharat Society took inspiration from one foreign secret society. Name that society. And the society was founded by Majni. And when it comes to revolutionary terrorism outside India, before that I want to ask you a few questions. In India, one plague commission was appointed, and Rand and his assistant Ehrest were killed by which two brothers in India? And in the same year, two brothers were also deported. Can you name those two brothers? Okay, I will give you that answer. No two brothers were deported. And Tilak was arrested on sedition charges for his writing in which paper? So, one of the papers was Maharatha, and what was the other paper? So, this was mentioned, and for sedition charges he was arrested. And there was a bomb attack on Kingsford Judge, and who are the two people involved in that attack from India? Now, when it comes to revolutionary terrorism abroad, India House was founded by whom in London? Madam Bikaji Kama was associated with revolutionary terrorism, and she hoisted a national flag at which place in Germany? One plan was associated in Germany. Can you name that plan? And Virendranath Chattopadhyaya was associated with that plan, and what was his paper? At the same time, in America also, the revolutionary terrorist movement was active. Famous party was Ghadar Party, and who was the guiding spirit of Ghadar Party? And where this Ghadar Party was founded? And one of the papers of Ghadar Party was, Ghadar, the paper Ghadar took inspiration from which event in India? And there was one ship, and which was not allowed to enter into Vancouver, and the ship came back to Singapore, and they were not allowed to get down at Bhuj port in near Calcutta. Can you name that port? Ship name, better I call it as a ship name. And in Afghanistan also, who actually established a provisional government? I'll give you one name, Mahendra Pratap Singh. Along with him, who were the other people associated with that event? And there was a bomb on Hardinge by Sachin Sanyal and Raj Bihari Bose in 1912. Of course, Raj Bihari Bose and Sachin Sanyal escaped, and Raj Bihari Bose went to which country and stayed there in exile, and later he also founded one organization called Indian Independence League, maybe the precursor for Indian National Army. And Sachin Sanyal was associated with which paper or book? Can you name that? One of the most hated book by British at that time. And so that's all. Try to answer these questions. Later we can discuss.